I'm Dr. Pavani Reddy. I work in Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. We are the persons we monitor adverse drug reactions. It's a government autonomous organization. Usually, we used to collect the adverse drug reactions from various hospitals. They'll report us. We are creating public awareness regarding that. If any reactions has been happened for the drugs and all. See, for example, usually a patient admit in the hospital. When he admits in the hospital, we will be giving on his based on his disease condition we give it some drugs. Okay, drugs means nothing but as medicines. I can just tell you normal way any woman they admit in a hospital who's anemic, they'll give a ferric maltose injection to increase their anemic blood count and all. In that case sometimes she experience nausea or vomiting such kind, you can just report to Indian Pharmacopoeia or your doctor. See why you are specifically it's needed that reporting is important, because sometimes the person will be sensitive to the particular drug. We issue yellow drug alert card. That card should be carried by a patient whenever she go to further other hospitals. In that way, so we can avoid further reactions in the particular drug. This is one way. And second way, we can be a vigilant on pharmacy companies in the way that when the reactions happen, the particular companies they'll be vigilant and they'll be more they'll take bit seriously. They'll maintain the standards. Nowadays even local pharma companies also not maintaining proper standards. They're doing a manufacturing drugs. So in that way vigilant, we are a government organization, will be vigilant on particular pharmacy industries kind of. These are one side of that, and on the side is it's a pharmacopoeia. See any we are a pharmacopoeia, we publish a books line. You can have a pic later on the books. Indian Pharmacopoeia, you can see any medicines or drugs. Backside you can see weight by volume, IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia. Based on that book manufacture formulation details only, every pharma industry in India should manufacture a particular medicine. So we will create awareness to the pharmacy colleges as well as the manufacturing companies to maintain standards and to formulate drugs based on Indian Pharmacopoeia.